Good morning from the beautiful and very peaceful Lake District. We are in the North Lakes, to be precise, Keswick, at a place called Scales, and we are going to be climbing Blencathra via Sharp Edge, which is another notorious ridge, knife edge ridge, scramble walk, similar to the Helvellyn one that we did in January, and it's going to be an absolutely fantastic day. Conditions are 10 out of 10. Blencathra stands at 868 metres, and hiking it via Sharp Edge is one of the most iconic ridge scrambles in the Lake District. The route is a classic circular, starting in Scales, which is south of the mountain, with a 400 metre ascent to Scales Tarn. Sharp Edge is a grade 1 scramble, so this does require your hands to climb and balance across the ridge. Comparing it to Helvellyn's striding edge, while the distance is shorter, it has generally been considered more challenging due to polished slippery rock and the ridge being more exposed and narrow. It's important to only attempt this in favourable weather conditions. Wear proper boots with good grip and make sure to keep 3 points of contact at all times. Once you've reached the summit, for the descent you can head down via Blease Fell or Halls Fell Ridge with the full route 8 to 10 kilometres, usually taking 3 to 5 hours based on pace and with 800 metres of ascent. Blue skies, sun's out, spring has for sure arrived in the UK.
That's where we come down, careful not doing Sharp Edge.
You can just about see some people.
That massive bit all the way over there, we don't go all the way over there.
You go over there. I can see the path go that way, mate.
Hello, doggy. Oh. Right then, we've made it to Scales Tarn from the car park in Scales. It's about 3k, a short but steep 3k, may I add. I mean, the paths are very well maintained, it's very easy to follow. Got the heart rate going, so we are just going to have a little pit stop, 5-10 minutes here before we attempt Sharp Edge, which is looking pretty sharp if I do say so myself. You okay, Will?
That fall down there. Big sort of drop right here.
Yeah, that is looking extremely steep.
3 points now.
1 point is enough.
You good, Max?
Yeah, I'm good.
Fucking hell. decent.
They kind of cut, and it looks like you can get through there really easily because you can hold on the rock on either side, but it's really slippy in there. So we're going up the right side. To the right of it a little bit.
Cool.
Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah. Good luck on the way down. Yeah.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Is it slippy?
No, there's a lot of midges.
Oh.
There is as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, watch out. Like a bow.
How the fuck am I going to get down here?
This is a bit sketchy.
Not too much you can grab on.
I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
Yeah.
That, the others, to your right.
Not there.
Yeah.
Stay on your hands and knees as much as you can.
It actually is quite sketchy.
Nah, I think it's easy in Helvellyn.
What are these comments? Careful now, it's slippy.
Wow. Stunning. Just countryside as far as the eye can see.
Yeah, this is the path. That one on the far right, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Nearly at the top. It's in touching distance. Definitely some scrambling is needed on this one. For sure. I feel like even if you'd gone at that point there, yeah, you're still going to have to come into the middle.
That's it, nice.
Trig point is still quite a distance away. Right over there. Oh yeah.
Going down this way, or going that way?
No, it's that way there.
The views are brilliant as expected. 360-degree views of the Lake District. Even though Blencathra is not one of the traditional big ones, it is not a Scales Pike or a Helvellyn. It certainly does hold its way. The exposure on the ridge is no joke. It's a bit sketchy at parts as well. Some of the rocks are extremely slippery. And it's certainly worth doing if you are confident with heights. It's taken us 2.5–3 hours to get to the top. So I imagine by the time we've done the full route back down, it's going to be a 4–5 hour job.